My name is John Swarup Kumar. My name is John Swarup Kumar. I am your English teacher. I will teach you English. Let us introduce one by one. What is your name?
My name is Pardu.
Please stand up.
My name is Pardu.
And which school you have been through? Primary school name.
My school name is GVNC 4th Basics Primary School.
Okay, previous school name is 4th Basic Primary School. Good. What's your name and your school?
My name is CH Pawan Kumar. My school name is GVMC 4th Urdu Boys School.
Urdu Boys School. Good. And
My name is Raju. My school name is GVNC 4th Basic Finance.
4th Basic.
My name is Abhiram. GMC Primary School, Changalropeta.
Changalropeta. Very good.
My name is Sanmukh. మా స్కూల్ పేరు రామచంద్ర పాఠశాల.
Your school name is Ramachandra Patasala.
My name is Das Rakil. My school name is GNC Sivalayam Primary School.
Sivalayam Primary School.
My name is G.S. Svante. My school name GVMC Ramchandra Pathsala.
Okay, very good.
Bangaraj.
Bangar Raju. School name. Anybody came from the same school? Godavari? Yes. Okay, good. Sit down.
My name is Prasad. My school name is GVMC 4th Basic Primary School.
4th Basic. What's your name?
My name is Pavanika.
And your primary school name is?
GVMC Ramchandra Pathsala.
Ramachandra Pathsala. Good.
My name is Tejaswini. My school name is GVMC Ramchandra Pathsala.
Ramachandra Pathsala. Okay.
My name is Pranita.
Your school name, primary school name. Anybody classmates are there? From the same school which has studied? Yeah.
My
Sit down.
name is Kirti. My school name is Sri Rama Primary School.
Okay, Sri Rama Primary School. Very good.
My name is Hemant Kumar. My
Primary school.
primary school name is GVNC 4th Basic Primary School.
4th Basic. Good.
Sir, ready, sir. Check it, sir.
You already over. What's your name?
My name is Ram Charan. My name is Ram Charan.
Your name is Ram Charan. School name?
GVNC Changalropeta.
GVMC Changalropeta.
My name is Nandakishore. My school name is GVMC Godavarewad Primary School.
Very good. Excellent.
My name is Hemant. My school name is Godav.
Your school name is? Come this side. Come this side.
GVMC Primary School.
GVMC Primary. Which primary? Godavari. What?
My name is Sriram Harshvardhan. My school name is Godavarewad.
Very good.
My name is Karthik. My school name is GVMC Sevalam School.
Okay, good.
My name is Akash.
Your school name is? Godavari Primary School.
My name is Arman.
Arman.
My school name is Ganesh Pathsala School.
Good.
My name is Mahendra.
Mahinder.
School పేరు GVMC.
Your school name is GVMC? Telugu school. Which school? Do you have any classmates here?
My name is Saket. My school name is GVMC Primary Town Hall. My name is Appanna. My school name is GVMC Primary School Town Hall.
Good.